see, where was I? I wonder which way I had to go.
The brilliant and the sliding toes did the guile and him fell in the way. All amusing were the water holes and the mog rats out of the rain.
Now where in the world do you suppose that came from?
Lose something.
Oh, haha. Well, I was just wondering.
Right, all right.
Okay,
one moment, please. Ooh. Second chorus. 'Twas brilliant and the slithy toves did the gyre and the gimble in the wave.
Oh, well, you're a cat.
A Cheshire cat, all a mimsy, o'er the border go.
Oh, wait, don't go, please.
Very well. Third chorus.
Oh, no, thank you. I just want to know which way I had to go.
Well, that depends on where you want to get to.
Well, it doesn't really matter, as long as I can.
It really doesn't matter which way you go. Oh, by the way, if you'd really like to know, he went that way.
Who did?
The white rabbit.
He did?
He did what?
He went that way?
Who did?
The white rabbit.
What rabbit?
Didn't you just say? Oh, dear.
Can you stand on your head?
Oh.
However, if I were looking for a white rabbit, I'd ask the Mad Hatter.
The Mad Hatter? No, I don't.
Or there's the March Hare in that direction.
Thank you. I think I should visit him.
Of course, he's mad too.
But I don't want to go among mad people.
Oh, you can't help that. Most everyone's mad here. You may have noticed that I'm not all there myself. And the more I